Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix mixing mania not unlocking in schedule 1. So first, what you need to do is you need to, of course, go ahead and head over to the nearest payphone and talk to Uncle Nelson, okay, who's the main lead of the game's quest. Then what you do is you get a mixing station, so you can purchase this from a Dan's Hardware for $500. Go ahead and do that and purchase this mixing station. Bring it back to your apartment above the Fat Dragon Chinese. And once you've done that, place this item down and you'll be instructed to head over to purchase more ingredients to make different weed stains. So I want you to go to the gas mart, okay, which will be on the other side of town from where we are right now, over the bridge, okay? That is the location right there. And what I want you to do once there, you'll need to purchase at least one mixing ingredient. Now, these can be a donut, a banana, a cuke, or paracetamol, though we suggest banana or cuke as it's much cheaper than the alternatives. Then what you do is you go ahead and start a new mix at the mixing station. So with that bought, head over to your mixing station back in the room and start your mix. Now for this, you'll need unpacked weed and the mixer. So I want you to go ahead and press E to interact with the mixing station and put your weed, a bud, and a mixer. So the item you just bought. Then you just press begin and you will make your first strain. Just collect the product, package it up, and the quest will be complete. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.